Hello everyone. Today we are whipping up some delicious shredded chicken burger with barbecue sauce and crispy french fries. But before we dive into the cooking, let's introduce ourselves first. My name is Trisna di Saputra.
Hello, my name is Putu Agus Prayoga.
Hello, my name is Komang Edi Satriawan.
Hello, my name is Deva, Aderyan, Sanjaya.
My name is Kadek Sandika Putra.
Hello, my name is Gede Widiantara.
All right then, let's head to the tutor. The equipment needed includes a strainer, knives, a peeler, a cutting board, food tongs, a spatula, a pan, a wok, and several bowls. Next, the ingredients needed are frozen French fries, burger buns, mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, butter, salt, red cabbage, carrots, lemon, cilantro, and grilled chicken. Step 1. Cut red cabbages into slices. Step 2. Julienne the carrots. Don't forget to wash them first. Next step. Comb the grilled chicken into small pieces. Wash the cilantro and pick the leaves. Next, mix the shredded red cabbage, julienne carrots, cilantro leaves, a bit of lemon juice, mayonnaise, and salt to taste. Sauté the shredded grilled chicken and add barbecue sauce. Heat butter and toast the burger buns over low heat. Fry the potatoes over medium heat until they are golden brown. Add a little bit of salt to the French fries. Take the burger buns, add barbecue sauce, shredded chicken, and salad, then top it with the other burger bun. Serve with the French fries, and it's ready to be enjoyed.